this is Stream Troopers, doing a little video on OBS versus Xsplit. As you see, there's a million different videos and how-tos on OBS, and I've tried them all, and nothing works. And I stream across a lot of platforms all at the same time. So what I'm doing here is showing you what is the best one. Here's a clip that I had streaming across all of my platforms: Twitch, Facebook, Twitter,
click to access the
YouTube,
lobby.
Mixer, Periscope. And as I stream with this, it is the worst ever, and there's nothing I can do. I have a good internet speed, I have a great system. There's no reason why all of this should work perfectly. Just one of their updates came out for OBS, and that was it, and I couldn't do it anymore. So I got sick of it. I spent a month desperately trying every walkthrough and every platform I could to get this to work. None of them work. They are now outdated. So what I found was Xsplit. Now Xsplit, it's a much more complicated system, but they have walkthroughs and simple stuff for you to be able to get through your shit without having to fight with it and have too much trouble using the system. It auto does everything. It'll pick the right bandwidth, it'll pick the right bit rate, it'll pick the right video, it'll pick the right everything. And see the quality here across all those platforms I told you. This is what it looks like when I'm streaming across Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Mixer, Periscope, Patreon. I mean, it's unreal. This is something I think everybody should move to. Get rid of OBS, Studio OBS, StreamLabs OBS. It's not worth it anymore. I mean, it's just causing a problem for millions of people who are trying to stream. I mean, you literally have to downsize where you want to stream to and how much you want to stream in order to make it work properly, and even then it still glitches and has issues. But as you can see through this game video that I've put up while I was streaming across them as a test video to see if it would work, is Xsplit worth it? I hadn't set up all of the parameters on it for, you know, followers and, you know, my webcam on there and everything, but this was to find out while streaming, is this gonna look good? And I'm gonna sit here and let you watch some of this video, and we'll continue on as soon as you get near the end of this.
Left click to access the lobby.
I just polished my grapple.
Medea, all good with me. Let's go find them all.
Killwise says,
This is your champion.
do a flip. Skillwise says. Do a flip. Black Flip 14 says. Okay.
I say we land here. Here we go. It's a long drop. Fun. Might be something good this way.
Survey beacon here.
Body shield here.
Level 1.
First blood. Should have seen that coming.
Scanning for the next ring. Check your mini-map. Target spotted.
Light ammo here.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Lucky us, we are already inside the ring. Helmet here. Level 1.
Dibs.
Hostile close. I am taking fire, friends. Here I go.
Come on, say hello.
Recharging shields.
They're coming.
Hostile right here.
Using grapple.
So, I hope you enjoyed some of that and saw how clear it is, and how well everything works. It's like no lag whatsoever. I never said I was good at Apex Legends, but you know, I am doing both Fortnite and Apex Legends, Dota 2, Star Wars The Old Republic. Maybe I'll do more games. But here you go. Subscribe, like, follow, whatever you like. My handle is at the beginning of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this and it makes no sense. Get Xsplit. It is free. Limited scenes, but worth it.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,